I made over $1,000 in my first month running an AI powered digital marketing agency. Then I launched my own AI academy last week, teaching creators how to build and monetize their AI clone. Before I even officially launched, I made my first sale from an author who was also a client of mine. She was camera shy, but she also wanted to make book sales. So I was actually taking an AI course, my first AI course at the time. And I suggested the course to her, and she bought it for me that same exact day. That's when I knew there was demand with the AI industry. Hi, I'm Favor, and I teach creators and entrepreneurs how to leverage AI to scale their businesses and also create passive income. I've invested in 4 high-level AI courses in 5 months, and I also use AI every single day to build multiple income streams. Today, I'm breaking down 5 AI businesses making real people money right now. Everything I'm about to show you, I'm either doing myself or I'm watching people in my communities build in real time. We're talking real results. Creators making 4K in 48 hours, AI coaches making 400K in 6 months, and regular people building 6 and 7 figure businesses. These aren't theories, these are real business models that work. So let's get into it. Business number one. AI powered digital marketing agency. So, what is an AI powered digital marketing agency, you ask? It's where you run a service based agency offering AI generated content, photo shoots, and marketing materials to high ticket clients. Why this business model works? Because we're in a digital age and businesses need real content to market their products and services. But most of them lack the time, resources, and even small businesses may lack the budget. So you become their AI powered solution by offering agency services for half the price of content production. And a bonus tip for this business model is as you build expertise, you become an asset for these businesses. Companies might even hire you full time to train their employees on how to leverage AI content creation. These are real things happening for regular people who learn these skills now. This is literally what I'm doing with Favor Studio, my digital marketing agency. I made over $1,000 in my first month providing AI powered photo shoots and content services. So who are the clients you'd be serving in this business model? Clients range from high ticket clients to white collar firms. So those clients are law firms, real estate agents, nonprofit organizations, coaches, consultants, e-commerce brands, and pageant agencies, which was my first client for my marketing agency. We call this B2B, business to business model. So what you'll be selling are AI photo shoots that range from $100 to $500, social media content packages, brand visuals, and marketing materials. Why these professionals love this is because they get high quality content without expensive production costs or long timelines. How do you start this business model? Learn AI content creation. Build a portfolio with examples, and pitch to industries that need content constantly. The key here is always quality over quantity. You need high quality professional brand aligned content, brand visuals that match their market, and in a speedy timeline, not just AI fluff. But here's where it gets even better with this business model. You can even begin to teach other agencies how to offer these same services, and then you get to add that as a service to your agency. So now you have another service to sell that brings in another area of cash flow into your business. Business number two, teaching AI cloning and twin creation. So what this business model is you teach creators, entrepreneurs, business owners how to create their digital twin and leverage and monetize it for their businesses. Why this business model works is because so many creators are already burnt out by creating content weekly for their brands and businesses, and the content they are producing aren't even the highest quality that attract the higher quality clientele and audience that they're looking for. So with your digital twin, you can create business photo shoots, studio quality product imagery, all while scaling your business without having to show up 24/7. And your AI twin, your digital twin, this skill set teaches you exactly how to do that. That's exactly why I created the Creator Clone Academy, so that other creators and entrepreneurs can now have this skill under their belt, which I have now mastered. So quick reference to the author who was camera shy, who was looking to make book sales, but didn't want to show up on social media. That was hurting her revenue. So now, after joining the program, she's been able to create her digital twin and now have that be another stream of content that she posts to promote her book, because people are actively looking for this solution. So what you're essentially teaching is how to create your digital twin, how to monetize it for brand deals, sponsorships, and passive income. So who's your market in this business model? So your market for this business model would be content creators, influencers, coaches, authors, and anyone who's just building a personal brand. The opportunity for this business model is that this is a skill set that will not be going away anytime soon. Once you have it, you can offer it as a service to other people, monetizing it repeatedly over and over in many different business skill sets by once using it for yourself and also teaching other people how to use it as well. So, how do you start this business model? You learn the process yourself through courses and practice, then package it into your own training or offer it as a service. And this is a key insight. People don't just want to know how to create an AI twin, they want to learn how to monetize it for their businesses. Building it is amazing, refining it is even better. But learning how to monetize, that's what gets you to your business goal. And that's exactly what I teach in the Creator Clone Academy. So let's get into business number 3, AI photoshoot services for creators. So, what is this business model? It's a little bit similar to the agency business model, but the difference is the different target audience. So, having a different target audience changes this business model in a specific way. So, what is it? You're offering AI generated photo shoots for influencers, content creators, and personal brands. Why does this business model work? As a content creator, we get multiple brand deals a week and we need to keep up with our audience structure. Creators need constant content, and traditional photo shoots are expensive and time consuming. AI photo shoots solve both problems, and the demand is real. Influencers are paying anywhere from $150 to $1,000 per photo shoot, and not even factoring the costs for hair, makeup, outfit, time logistics. So this business model solves many problems for content creators. So once you position yourself as a solution, you begin to get paid as an authority in that position. There are people in my AI communities making full-time income just by using this business model alone. How do you start this business model? Number 1, you master the skill of AI content creation. Then you leverage your own personal style with your AI photo shoot. 3, build a portfolio showing your range. And 4, market to creators on Instagram and TikTok. My personal favorite part. The key to making this business model work is a fast turnaround, high quality photo shoots, and understanding what creators actually need for content creation. Business number 4, my personal favorite, selling AI digital products. So, what is this business model? Selling AI digital products is creating and selling digital products, courses, ebooks, templates, guides, and planners, all made with AI. Why it works is because you create it one time and then you sell it forever. No inventory, no shipping, just infinite scalability. That means infinite possibilities on growing your revenue. Yes. The opportunity here is that people are making 5 to 20K per month just by selling digital products. Now, each person results varies. It depends on your marketing strategies and your following, and also a good understanding on your target audience. Places to sell these digital products are Stan Store, Gumroad, Shopify, or even Beacons, which is where I'm selling my digital products. The great thing about this business model is that the possibilities are endless. It's a passive income that compounds over time. So how do you start this business model? You use tools like Canva and ChatGPT to create your product. You set up a store on Gumroad or Stan Store and promote it through content marketing. The key here on winning is to solve a real problem. Creating random AI content won't work for this business model. What actually converts is creating something of value people will actually need and paid for. AI is a tool that makes your life easier. So once you solve a value proposition in that area, people will pay you for that solution. So focus on pain points, focus on who your audience is, and narrow down and create a product that actually solves a problem for that specific audience. So last but not least, business number 5. Affiliate marketing for AI tools and courses. So what is this final business model? This business model is where you get paid to promote AI tools for courses that you believe in. So that is promoting AI tools, promoting software from courses you've entered into and you actually use, and then you recommend it to people who buy it through your link. I've personally also made income this way as well from courses that I have. Like, as I stated before, I've entered into 4 high value AI courses. 2 of them I did not like as much as the other 2. And I took a bit from each course and implemented it and also sold through my affiliate links as well. So I have made profits off of the courses that I've purchased. And why this business model works is you don't need to create anything. when you just start. You just connect people with solutions and get paid for them. The opportunity here is that most AI tools and courses have affiliate programs paying from 20 to 50%. Some courses even pay more, like the courses I was enrolled in paid me 70% for each person that I referred to the course. So let's say the course is $250. So you'd make $175 from a course you didn't even create. So you'd only need to sell 6 of those courses through your affiliate to make $1,000. So let's just say you have a personal brand or you do content creation and you recommend that course to your followers or your audience. You'd have at least 6 people who'd want to buy the course from you, especially once you promote your results. So that's an easy $1,000 in your pocket just by enrolling in a course. So the money really adds up with these AI tools. The key point here is to only recommend products you actually believe in, because your audience can sense when you're just chasing commissions or when you actually truly believe in the results that the product has given you. Or sometimes the results are so visible that it sells itself, and that's the goal. So mastering the craft is also very important. So here's the great news for you. Every business I just shared with you, the agency, teaching the tools, photo shoots, digital product, affiliate marketing, all of it comes from one core skill: learning how to clone yourself with AI. Once you know how to create your AI twin, you can now clone clients, teach others, create content, build products, and promote tools. It's the same core skill, just applied to different business models and niches. The reality is you spend a one-time investment to get access to 5 high-ticket business models you can apply immediately to your business and niche the first day that you access the course. I personally pride myself on a 24-hour setup rate in order to set up your automation and start scaling your business. Within your product business, you have an unlimited amount of photo shoots that you can now generate for your products. And then you take those assets and you sell them and promote them on TikTok, Instagram, whatever your sales channel is. And now you have an unlimited amount of photo shoots for your business. The beauty of it, you can create videos, images, even mini movies or carousels. You now have a whole marketing team just by learning this one high-paying skill. And for content creators, you can now utilize your AI twin to create luxury photo shoots and videos to attract brand deals and sponsorships. CCA, for the ones who build successfully. And for business consultants and creator consultants, you can now generate professional assets that you can use to represent on your website and client presentations. The difference between people who win with AI and the people who don't isn't ChatGPT. Sorry to break the news to you, because everyone has access to that. What's going to set you apart in this AI revolution is having the right training, the right strategy, and access to a high-value community of individuals who actually implement the things they learn. Because the creators making this type of income, they're not different from you. Most of them are moms, most of them are 9-to-5 workers who are sick and tired of their job and wanted a way out, or just some extra income. The only difference between the ones who aren't making money from AI right now and the ones who are is that they moved faster than the ones who weren't. So if you want to join a community of high-level entrepreneurs and creators to access this high-paying skill before it gets oversaturated, Creator Clone Academy link is now in the description. So let's get this money, baddies. See you in the next one.